On installing a new exhaust on this Nissan Xterra, new cat, muffler, the whole 9 yards. O2 sensors. Now coming from the Midwest, a lot of these cars are very rusty, and exhaust bolts and nuts are very tight to begin with, and you add in the snow and salt that gets in there, rust these things out, and it's almost like the nuts are welded on. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you one easy way to remove exhaust nuts using nut extractors. This is an 18-piece nut extractor kit, and I'm going to show you up close on what this looks like. So basically these are just slightly smaller than the nuts you're going to be using them on. So let's say you got a 1/2 13 bolt nut, or you're going to get the one that says 1/2 inch on it and use that one, but the inside is going to be slightly smaller, and it's going to be fluted inside. It's kind of a spiral. So as you loosen, it actually digs into the nut. Now a lot of times you might not want to reuse the nuts because these will damage it a little bit. So let's take an up close look and see what these look like. Here's an up close view of the kit, and as you can see, the inside is kind of spiraled. It is very sharp inside, and as you loosen or you turn counterclockwise, that's where the spiral action comes in. And those flutes kind of dig into the nut and they don't let go. And once you get your nut off, you will have to kind of pound it out of this extractor because it is going to be in there very tight.